Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, this is a 50 subscriber special with suspension test on Figure 8 map. And we got the Offroad series with the Meta series. We're going to be checking out today. Looks like this is bad. And that's it. We are going to be jumping. And I did not like when the sideways like that. Because that happens. So, what we're going to do, we're going to take the other way. We're going to get us sideways. So, I'm not sure if this was easier than the way that make your cover down. That's it. I'm to use it before it's done. And I always get sideways with it, even with the camera there. Okay. So alright, let's go here. How do you will be going down this part? Right here, you just jump in. So there is sand and there is concrete down here. Yes, I use concrete. This is a normal map. Like no mods, it's just so decent special with trucks with good suspension to see if they can survive. And stay tuned because we'll take up this and see how this does. You can kind of get your sideways. You can really get your sideways there. And that's going to be calm. And so now we're going to go into vehicles to drop off RL, and you want to get this little one for MD, whatever it's called. And this one, I normally used to do this map on. So for this one right here, I'm going to use this one. So, what do you want me to do? The math for us with sideways. It happens every time during recording. So, yeah. Sometimes sideways we took and there's really no video coming soon, but we're using two electric vehicles to see if they can jump and hit each other in the green map. And see, that's why I hate that side. So, frick. It's not gonna right there. You guys probably like, oh my god, you gun it. No, you didn't. You did not. Just take it easy. There we go. See, this one doesn't even get us out of this. Probably in the third rows. We can traction in the middle. Like on the truck. Because it's an empty space. Another would be like bust at the end, and we're not gonna repeat any. We're not gonna back to the track, but we track again with mods. We're gonna want to be like doing lots of people else, but let's see this map to play on in the multiplayer room. As I get it, because I'm not going to down to put it. Yeah. So that's going to be it for fun. Yeah, one more before we can do the bus. So we got the sunburst. Okay, so sunburst won't do anything good. Yeah, that's right. Because you can't gun it with the sunburst. Because the suspension is bad. When I look at suspension, I'm going to do a gun here, and then not going to need it. Here we go. See, it doesn't get service for us. Yeah, when you put your gas suspension and you end up in the trees. which we will not be taking that way when we taking this road. This might be meant for like rock climbing, but not for like jumps and trying in it. And this thing has so much fun with it indoor elevated stuff. The drift. I landed on the hump is so amazing. No one was uncalled for. What happened to you? One of my videos is no funny sometimes. A lot of times. They're trying not that funny with some people. And yeah. Okay. I don't know why some emotion speed stuff, but no, let's just take this one. Nope, finish us into the tree again. Now let's stay away from trees. I don't know why, but every single one of my videos, I believe, I either in a tree or in a rock. I did not really keep on being in trees and rocks. Okay. Let's just get to this. Yeah, I flipped really easily. Really easily. Come out of the way, maybe. Don't hit the house. Okay. I know. No. Let's just kick it off to the vehicles. Off. It's gonna be so nice when the bus actually has good suspension. So, let's figure it out. Next one, turn on all those. Okay, let's go. I forgot how slow it is. It says to the bus off camera, like, you know what? When I do the bus after, that's gonna be a treat. And you know what? If I do the bus after the video, so in the video, might be good. Not bad. First. Emergency exit stuff, kids to this bus will be used for derbies, not for trees. Definitely not for bumps like that. Definitely not made for any of this, but it's an off-road moment, so kids have seatbelts on, everyone from off-road home. It's fine. Right. What's off? That's right, don't get distracted while recording. We have made our destination. See you guys there. What the heck? What happened to my V? Oh, wait, did it respawn with me? Okay. Let's just. That's what it looked like in the engine trip. I'm not sure. It's actually air woman. Where's my bus? Oh. I lost it. Okay. Time. Just one more jump. And that'll be it. Please like and subscribe, you guys. And make sure to click that bell. Bye.